Change your mind about a Facebook block. Let's learn how to unblock someone using your iPhone. Hi, I'm Siok from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to unblock someone on Facebook using your iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your iPhone. Tap on the menu icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Scroll down and tap on the Settings and Privacy option. Tap on the Settings option. Within the Settings menu, look for the Blocking option. Tap on the Blocking option to proceed. Here you can see the list of all the people you have blocked. Scroll through the list to find the person you want to unblock. Once you find the person you want to unblock, tap on their profile. Finally, tap on the Unblock option to confirm. And this is how you can unblock someone on Facebook using iPhone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.